Today, I'm in Tribeca for the part 3 of my favorite neighborhoods in New York City. Included Tribeca because I have a lot of memories here. I went to the MCC for a little bit and also have worked in the area. So it's one of my favorite neighborhoods. This is where my old job is at. It's a Danish restaurant. Now they're renovating it. So sad. This is the alley where I usually take a weed break, from that job. It's so beautiful because of the cobblestones. You're gonna see a lot of cobblestones in Tribeca. They're like very known, for cobblestones. This is me just trying to get to know my future neighborhood because, I dreamt of living here one day, even though it's one of the richest neighborhoods in New York City. But, it's never too late to get to know your future neighborhood, I guess. I just found out that this is actually the fire station where Ghostbusters was filmed. That's pretty dope. I didn't know that before. Square Diner is a must-try if you're in the area. I've had their food here. It's really good. This place is so fancy, even the scaffolding has to be like bougie. I love that for Tribeca. And this is the usual sightings in Tribeca. A lot of nanny or parents or Tribeca moms with their stroller. It's one of my favorite blocks because of the cobblestone. Make me feel like, I'm stepping on the rich history of downtown Manhattan. Yeah, you do get a good view of the World Trade Center. It's literally so close to Financial District, that's why. And if you walk past by this building, you'll see BMCC, and that's BMCC. I went there for like a year, and that's the park attached to the school. This Vietnamese restaurant is okay. It's a little bit whitewashed, but if you're in the area and you're craving Vietnamese pho, yeah, you should go there. But I'd rather you go to Chinatown because you're like so close to Chinatown anyway. Get that real experience, girl. The restaurant scene in Tribeca is top tier. You see all of this fancy outdoor seating, so pretty and aesthetic. And this is the famous Benvenuto Cafe, And if you walk towards the west side, you'll approach Hudson River. That one over there, that's New Jersey across the river. If you like sunsets, you should watch it there. I want to live in this building, that for sure. Another Instagram restaurant called Eve's, so pretty. This spot called Tiny's reminds me of Wes Anderson film.